So shortcut method 2 about circle to solve MCQs. Now here let's see how to find the equation of the circle which is touching the x-axis at this particular point, that is at a comma 0, and the shortcut note says that the equation of such a circle which touches the x-axis at a comma 0 is always of the form x square plus y square minus 2ax plus 2fy plus a square is equal to 0. Notice this equation. The circle is touching the x-axis at a comma 0. So if we understand this by means of a diagram, I will write the diagram having x-axis and the y-axis. The circle is touching x-axis at a comma 0. So x-axis is like a tangent to the circle, and this point of contact is a comma 0. In fact, a comma 0 is a point on the circle. Then the equation of such a circle is given as x square plus y square minus 2ax plus 2fy plus a square is equal to 0. You know that the equation of a circle in standard form is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. When you look at these two equations, you observe that the x term has become negative here and y term is same as 2fy, and instead of c we have put a square, where a is the x coordinate of the point of contact of the circle. And the equation of the circle touching y-axis at 0 comma b. Now in the second note it says that the equation of the circle touching y-axis at 0 comma b. So this is the circle touching the y-axis and this point is 0 comma b. Then the equation of this circle which is touching the y-axis at 0 comma b is of the form x square plus y square plus 2gx minus 2by plus b square is equal to 0. So if you observe at the equations of these two circles, the first circle touches the x-axis at a comma 0. The second circle touches the x-axis at 0 comma b. If you look into the equations of these two circles, the shortcut method says that touching x-axis at a comma 0 has a negative sign for x. Touching y-axis at 0 comma b has a negative sign for y term. And here the constant term is a square, the constant term is b square. So if you want to memorize what is the equation of the circle touching the x-axis at the point a comma 0, so you would say it as x square plus y square minus 2ax plus 2fy plus a square is equal to 0. What is the equation of the circle which touches the y-axis at 0 comma b? The equation is x square plus y square plus 2gx minus 2by plus b square is equal to 0. Okay, so these two equations are extremely helpful in solving problems quickly to find out the respective equations. So for the sake of illustration, let me take one problem which was asked in one of the examinations, and the problem is like this. You have to find the equation of the circle touching the x-axis, which touches x-axis at the point 3 comma 0. The circle touches the x-axis at the point 3 comma 0. So this point becomes 3 comma 0 and it passes through one of the given points, and the point given was, I'll write here, passing through the point 1 comma minus 2. So you can frame the problem. The problem is like this. Find the equation of the circle which touches x-axis at 3, 0 and passes through the point 1, minus 2. The equation of the circle which touches the x-axis at 3, 0 and the circle is passing through the point 1, minus 2. Say this is 1, minus 2. Anyway, this diagram is not according to the scale. I am just showing it that 1, minus 2 is a point on the circle. Okay. Now you know that if at all a circle touches x-axis at a, 0, then its equation is this. So our circle, the required circle should have the equation in this form. Therefore, the required circle is, I will directly write the equation. The required circle is, it's like this now, x square plus y square minus 2 into a into x. A is 3 here because it is touching x-axis at 3, 0. So a is 3. So minus 2 into 3 into x, that is minus 6x. And this term remains to be the same, plus a square. A is 3, so a square is 3 square, that is 9 is equal to 0. So we have got the structure of the equation, but in this equation still one of the terms is missing. We do not know the value of f. In order to find the value of f, we make use of the data given here. This passes through 1, minus 2. That means on this circle, 1, minus 2 is a point. So now I write, but 1, minus 2 lies on this circle. What do you mean if a point lies on the circumference of a circle? It means that the coordinates of that point can be substituted in the equation of the circle because that point has to satisfy the equation. That means I can put in place of x as 1 and in place of y as minus 2 because 1, minus 2 is a point on this circle. So this is 1 square plus minus 2 square minus 6 into 1 plus 2f into minus 2 plus 9 is equal to 0. I'll just find out the value of f now. So on simplifying, this is 2f into minus 2 minus 4f is equal to, let me just put all these terms from LHS to RHS. Here it is 1 plus 4 minus 6 plus 9. I write it little big. This is 1 and squaring this minus 2 becomes plus 4. Minus 6 into 1 is minus 6 and plus 9. So 9 plus 4, 13. 13 plus 1, 4 minus 16. So it is plus 8. And I put this plus 8 to the RHS. It becomes minus 8. Therefore, f is equal to 2. So we get the value of f. And once you get the value of f, now it is easy to write down the equation of the circle. The equation of the circle, therefore the equation of the circle is, here we have the equation and f was not known. Now we know the value of f, therefore substitute the value of f in order to get the required equation. So it becomes x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y plus 9 is equal to 0. So we got the equation of the circle. You know, by using this shortcut method, we will be able to give this answer within 15 to 20 seconds of time. Whereas the conventional method will take at least 2 to 2.5 minutes. So you can save around 1.5 minutes or even sometimes 2 minutes also, depending on whether you have some fractions here or not. Okay. Similarly, for the other circle also, the same technique can be made use. So what is shortcut method number 2 as far as circles are concerned? Circle touching x-axis at a, 0. The equation is x square plus y square minus 2ax plus 2fy plus a square is equal to 0. And then the circle touches the y-axis at the point 0, b. Its equation is, remember, x square plus y square plus 2gx minus 2by plus b square is equal to 0. Here you have to take care about the negative terms in the two respective equation. Here x term is negative touching x-axis, y term is negative touching y-axis. Okay.